Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to the Fall Trend Guide. So in case you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Sydney and you're watching the Fall Trend Guide. Basically what it is every season I head to New York Fashion Week, come home back to LA and break down all the trends and show you how to wear them in real life. So if you don't subscribe already, make sure you subscribe because there's a new trend guide every Thursday. Last week we did colors and today we're doing a leopard. If you've been to the mall recently, you've probably been noticing a ton of leopard because it is everywhere, and if you haven't seen it yet, trust me, you're gonna see a lot of it. Now there's multiple ways to wear leopard, and I wanted to start off with one of my favorite ways, which is with separates. So a leopard shirt can be paired with a leopard skirt, and then you create the look of a dress. So for my first outfit, I did a leopard button down. There's tons of leopard button down blouses out there, and I wanted to pair it with a matching skirt. So from far away, it really looks like I'm wearing a dress, but this way I can get multiple uses out of my pieces. So that kind of almost rhymes, multiple uses out of my pieces. So with this look, I thought it was more of a bold office look. So let's say you're making a presentation and you really want to make a statement, you can do the leopard on leopard print. I just went with nude sandals and basically barely any accessories because when you have a print that's so loud, you want to keep accessories very minimal. Now, a little less in your face way to wear leopard to the office is by using the leopard skirt with a sweater. I went with a sleeveless turtleneck because it's a little bit warmer in LA. You could also do a long sleeve turtleneck, you could do a crew neck sweater, any black sweater you have in your wardrobe. Now you'll notice that I took off the matching belt and instead put on a black belt. So I felt like this made it look a little more polished. And then I added black pumps on a bottom, and if it's cold where you live, you could always do black tights. Now back to the leopard shirt. So you've already seen how I paired it with the matching leopard skirt, which is a very bold look. Another way to do a bold look is with color. So if you remember from last week's color trend guide, red is one of the biggest colors this season. So I added a little red suede mini skirt and then some black booties to take my leopard skirt into a fun nighttime look. For a more casual look, you can pair your leopard shirt with denim. So I just added a pair of high-waist jeans, a black belt, and then I doubled up on leopard again with leopard pumps. So leopard accessories are a great way to do the trend. You can do pumps, you can do booties, you can do bags. It's totally up to you. Leopard dresses are also huge this season. There's so many different styles, slip dresses and shift dresses and little cute mini dresses. So since I did a more tailored way with my separates, I wanted to show you a fun, flirty way to do leopard. So I did this little silk mini dress. While it's still warm, I'm pairing it with sandals for a night out, again bringing in red, the big color of fall, with a matching red lip. And then you can also wear it when it gets cooler. So when it cools down, I'm pairing it with over-the-knee booties and a suede moto jacket. Now you'll notice that both are in a more neutral tone, and that really tones down the leopard. So if you want to make the leopard print a little less in your face, just add neutral accessories. So those are just a few ideas on how to wear leopard. I actually did a leopard trend guide a couple years back, so the trend keeps coming back, so it's a great thing to invest. You can check out that video for more outfit ideas, and I have tons of leopard on my blog, like that leopard coat I'm wearing in the photo back there. So you can always check out my blog, sydneystyle.com, for more fashion inspiration. And I want to see how you are wearing the fall trends at home. So throughout the series, we use the hashtag SS Trend Guide. So just post your photos to Instagram, tag me at Sydney Summer and SS Trend Guide, and I feature my Trend Girl of the Week over on my Insta stories and my weekly newsletter. So if you don't subscribe, make sure to subscribe because next Thursday there's a new trend guide. Bye guys. Do leopards even meow, or what do they do? Like
scarier.
Leopard. I like meow better.
What does Google say, Marissa?
Spit. Oh.
Oh, leopard sounds.
We're doing leopard.
Right?